What are they saying? Time, by the token of age, the ages that have gone by, they are reminding each other. By the time that has gone by, all human beings are at loss, except Iman, people with Iman, people who do good deeds, watawasaw bil haq, people who enjoin haq, truth, and people who have patience, 4 qualities. There are a lot of Muslims who practice Islam, but they have no patience. You know, it's well known that if you touch people who pray regularly, they quarrel more. Yeah. So they lose the quality of sabr. They claim to be praying, best of hijab, mask, long beard, salah, and you just move a wrong note, and they are so angry. They will quarrel so much. They have no sabr. Watawasaw bis-sabr. Sabr is a command in the Quran that even the pious people don't have. See how powerful it is? All through the Ramadan we went, the i'tikaf, the Quran, the fasting, the salah. What about the sabr?